Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Girl Next to the Star. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. That could mean the world to me. I post a lot of content on hair care, skincare, makeup and travel, okay, whatnot. So yeah, today we are going to talk about a very special product which claims to replace all the thousands of monies that girls spend in facial. So yeah, it's going to be a very interesting video. Please keep on watching. So the product that we are going to talk about is the Ordinary AHA plus BHA peeling solution, right? So this one became very famous after Kim Kardashian called it the vampire facial, and rightly so. You will see why. And this is a very interesting video because it will show you the do's, the don'ts, how to use it, why to use it, when to use it, and a full live demonstration is waiting for you at the end. So please keep on watching the whole video, right? So what exactly is this product? This is the Ordinary's 10-minute exfoliating facial. It is basically a peeling solution which contains 30% of AHA and 2% of BHA. AHA is alpha hydroxy acid and BHA is beta hydroxy acid. These are very strong, potent acids which gets into your pores and cleans them up. Often the other thing that this solution does is it works on several layers of your skin. Okay, so that is the reason why this is a very potent acid. It has the power to, if often used, frequently used, it can remove hyperpigmentation, it removes dark spots, it obviously removes the tan of your face, it removes the dead skin cells, it gives a very beautiful glow to your face. And that is the reason why this product is going nuts. People are going nuts over it. The product is viral, but there are certain do's and don'ts, like I mentioned, for you to not burn your skin and to derive the maximum benefits of this peeling solution. If I talk about it, this comes in a white normal cardboard white cardboard packaging. They say the abnormal beauty company, that's the tagline of Ordinary, and this one is 30 ml of product, and the price of it is, the mark price is 950, but then I got it at a discount. I think I got it at 750 rupees. So it's not the most affordable product out there, but then if you compare this with having 3000 rupees worth of facial at salon, then definitely this is going to last you a really long time, and it's definitely worth the price. Now the shelf life of this product is 3 years. Okay, and now I'm gonna open it and show it to all of you. So this is how it looks like. You can see the dark red color of the product. This is how the product looks like. No doubt why they call it a vampire facial. Now the main question is, why would I pick this product instead of going for a full-blown facial? Now you know that this is a chemical exfoliant, and when you go for a facial, they always use physical exfoliant, which means scrub particles, and they massage your skin with those scrub particles. They put masks, they put some massage creams and all of that to make your skin glow. Now hypersensitive skin might not feel very good with those physical exfoliant, and they actually irritate your skin. If your skin is hypersensitive, if your skin is delicate, then physical exfoliants like scrub particles, the walnut scrubs, oat scrubs, those are only going to make your skin burn and give you rashes, and that's why a lot of you might be avoiding facial. But if you use a chemical exfoliant like this, then it's going to do that same trick with almost like lesser price, 1/4, 1/3 of that price, right? So that is why chemical exfoliant like this is so popular nowadays. But definitely the one con is that when you apply this facial on your face, it's going to tingle you a bit, might irritate for a while, but then you should not be worried about that, because it just means that the product is working well on your skin, and it just needs to be kept for 10 minutes. Everything will be shown in the demonstration, and afterwards, after 10 minutes, you need to wash it off with cold water, and after that you might see some redness on your skin. That is because this is a very strong acid, and it just leaves some redness on your skin, which again goes away after 24 hours. So after saying that, you need to understand that this is a very, very strong acid, which means that if you have recently removed hair, using a razor, and your skin is hypersensitive now, or you have active cuts, active pimples which are bleeding, please avoid this. This should also not go inside your eyes. So now we are going to test out the product. This is the ordinary peeling solution, and the first thing that you need to know about using a chemical exfoliant as powerful and potent as this is, you should be starting with completely clean, dry face. So I have already cleaned my face with my facial cleanser, and my skin is completely dry, no makeup on whatsoever. I just have a little bit of lipstick on, for presentation, let's put on this. So the usual rule is I just have to spread it on my face with my fingertips, and we should be keeping it on for not more than 10 minutes. Okay, so for that I have my phone on which I am going to keep a tab on the time. So we'll put this on. Okay, we'll just shake it first. Shake. And looks kind of scary. Okay, if you see this, kind of scary, right? I will be using my mirror over here. So I'm gonna tie my hair first so that it does not interfere. The more important thing, I've heard that this one stains really badly, so you should wear something which, even if it gets stained, you should not be feeling bad about. So I'm gonna put it over my skin. Oh my god, looks kind of crazy, right? Oh, okay. Now I gotta look down. I just have to spread it nicely. Okay, I will just spread it nicely with my fingertips. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more. I'm a little scared now. We definitely need to make sure that this does not get into our eyes, because like I said, it's a very, very strong, potent acid, right? So we need to make sure of that. So now I have applied it. So I'm going to see the time now. It's 2:10. We just have to keep this for 10 minutes. Now okay, it has started, burning a little bit. Now if it burns, there's no need to worry. There is a slight tingling sensation. Just started with a slight tingling sensation. It just means that, it's working well. There's no need to worry if it is slightly burning. So while we are waiting for these 10 minutes, okay, just wanted to inform you more about this so that you know exactly the right way to use this product and not end up, ruining or burning your skin. So basically this is a chemical exfoliant, okay? This one contains AHA 30%, BHA 2%. What is AHA, BHA? AHA, BHA is alpha hydroxy acid, beta hydroxy acid, which means this right here, this small bottle is a very, very strong, potent chemical exfoliant which goes deep inside your pores and goes inside them, cleans them, even exfoliate few layers of the skin, not like only like the physical exfoliant, the scrubs and the walnut scrub, this scrub, oat scrub, that scrub, just cleans on the surface, okay, and just works on the top layer. Now this is a very strong chemical exfoliant which cleans, deep cleans and works on few layers of the skin, not just the top layer. So that is why what happens is that there are very good benefits of using this chemical exfoliant. First is that it removes pimple marks. If you have old stubborn pimple marks, definitely it removes them. Next, it removes tan. Second, it gives instant glow. It gives instant glow. It gives very beautiful 1000-watt bulb wala look. And definitely it removes hyperpigmentation. And actually I've made a notes for you guys, and It removes dead skin, definitely dark spots, evens out uneven skin texture. So these are all the good benefits of this, and definitely that is the reason why if I have function that I have to attend and I want a good glow on my face, then instead of going for a 2000 3000 worth of facial, I'm gonna try this out because this is just so easy on my skin. And this is a chemical exfoliant and not a physical exfoliant, because when you're going for a facial, all they use is physical exfoliants. They will keep rubbing this, that, they will massage a scrub, then they will put something else. So those are all physical exfoliants, scrub particles, which might be harsh on delicate skin. So instead of that, okay, it is burning a little, especially on my cheeks. Okay, coming back to this. So this is a chemical exfoliant which is not really harsh on the skin, however does a greater job than a facial. And of course, this is something that you can have it on your own. You can do it once a week or twice a week, and you can get that instant glow. When you are using this peeling solution from Ordinary, what are the do's and don'ts? The first thing is that after using this peeling solution for the next 24 to 48 hours, do not put any other acid onto your skin. What do I mean by putting acid on skin? However, you would have heard about retinol. If you're someone who puts retinol on face on a daily basis, vitamin C, then salicylic acid, then lactic acid for that matter, retinol, salicylic acid, lactic acid, vitamin C, these things should not be put on your face if you have just used the peeling solution. Okay, not for the next at least 48 hours, because this already is a very potent acid. You don't want to burn your skin by putting more and more acids. Okay, so then what are the other things, the do's rather, that you can do? So the other thing that you can definitely use is your regular moisturizer. Okay, which again should be devoid of retinol. It should not be a retinol infused moisturizer. And you tell, okay girl, next door asked me to use moisturizer and then I burnt my face. No, so it should be a regular moisturizer, like something like Cetaphil or the Lakme moisturizer for that matter, lotions. So that is something that you can definitely use. You can use niacinamide. Niacinamide is very gentle, very nice, very calming, very soothing on the skin. Niacinamide is definitely something that you can use. And the only other acid that you can still use within the next 48 hours is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid combined with niacinamide. Hyaluronic acid is very gentle. It moisturizes your skin. It pulls moisture from the atmosphere and puts you on your skin. So that these are the three things. Any lotion, number 2 is niacinamide, and number 3 is hyaluronic acid. These three things you can use. And obviously the other thing that I keep repeating is that you have to use sunscreen. Okay, because when you are using this acid, it makes your skin photosensitive. So definitely make sure that you are using a sunscreen. Okay, how much time is left? Okay, I still have 3 minutes. So yeah, that is one thing, and it definitely is tingling, not a lot, okay, but it's definitely tingling. One thing that I forgot to mention is that do not again use a physical scrub on your face, because this is already doing the work of a scrub, that is exfoliating your skin. So after this, don't again go and use a scrub, because that's gonna ruin your skin very big time. So right now I'm not having a very great burning sensation, but I do have slight tingling on my face. Okay, and recently if you have removed hair using razor on your skin or something, then my suggestion is don't use it. Wait for 2-3 days for your skin to go back to normal state, because right after you do hair removal of your face, your skin becomes very, very sensitive. So it might lead to worse results and might give you rashes. So please do avoid if you have recently removed hair on your face. And wait for this 2-3 days for your skin to get calmed down. So I just washed my face, and I think the results speak for themselves. Do you see that glow, guys? I'm so happy that just by trying this out, I can get this much glow on my skin. And I have legit not used any other thing. I just washed my face and then I came back, not even used a cleanser or anything, just used normal cold water, and my skin feels squeaky clean, as if someone has deeply scrubbed and cleaned my face, but then nothing of that sort has been done. So I am very happy with the results, and most importantly, I don't feel like my skin is extremely dry and stripped out of the moisture. So I feel hydrated. I feel like there's a certain glow to my skin, which obviously I think the camera is doing justice to that. And yeah, like what else do you need? Okay, this is going to work on multitude of problems, and I'm so happy that I made this investment. I mean, seriously guys, if you can see this, what, like I'm so happy, and I just wish that this review has helped you. This one is definitely the boon of a product. I totally love it. I hope this review has helped you. I hope you have got some idea. Now, like I said, I'm not gonna use anything other than my plum niacinamide. This is definitely going to be very calm and gentle on my skin. Yeah, I hope this review helped you. I hope you learned something, and most importantly, the right way to use the peeling solution and to get the maximum benefit out of it. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and share it with your friends, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.